Hey folks, what's going on? I thought it'd be fun to show you where I'm at January 10th in the big takedown. Check it out right here. It's going to be fun on my take on home and garden. Now if you remember, I don't have a bunch of elves helping like Santa, and Angela will take down her 2 little trees. I want to show you something different, and you've seen how I put things away before for a few years now, so I just want to take you on a tour and see where we're at so far. Now, I might be more impressed than anybody else with what's changed and taken down and put away, but I still thought it'd be fun for everybody to see how different the house looks at this point. The dining room is put together first, so it's the first one to be taken down. And you know, I'm gonna launch some shows out of this room before any others. Just thought you'd like to see before these trees come down and see where we're at. You see the last little groupings of ornaments, snowflakes, and crystal to be put away. All different here. The red glass is coming back, the pewter and silver, and you can see the piano lid is back up to play. Full sound. Just the ribbon is on the tree in the music area. Angela said, geez, it's still beautiful, even with no ornaments. And it really is. All the extras have been put away from top of the fireplace, just to have the bigger pieces now. And you can see that difference pretty clearly here. You'll laugh, but it's so bare and funny looking to me. With the garlands and the greenery removed. And again, I thought it'd be fun to show before we did any changing or decorating, kind of sneak peek in between of what we see before it's all put away. Back through to the living room now. This would scare any sane person that we know. If you don't think there's a lot done, I'm going to show you under the stairs. As I've showed it before, coming out from under the stairs. This is almost packed to the max. And I'm standing right at the doorway, as you see. Thought it'd be fun again to show. And how about, let's see how deep in here we can get. Hello! Is there anyone trapped in there? I hope not. Maybe some deer and Santas. That's about it. So just to show how I approach putting all this away, the next thing that'll happen are the big giant ornament bins will be coming out. Even beefier and bigger than this one. And they'll be full of empty ornament boxes, like you see here, to pack up all the ornaments from all the trees that are left. You see, Christmas is leaving and winter is settling in. Still, with this system, I can be happier and still see a lot of Christmas. Obvious, it doesn't come down in 1 or 2 days, even weeks. It's been 2 weeks. But getting happy with what's gotten done. Here the boxes start accumulating around the coffee table and around the trees. Boxes that I know are gonna take the ornaments that the tree has. So I'll put them around the proper tree. Again, most of the other decor has been put away. There's just a handful. Couple Santas, a new Nutcracker. Get one last look at that glorious plaid traditional tree. I'm sure you'll notice a difference on the fireplace as well. It's been thinned down and most of the top has been removed. Next, we'll even take you upstairs and see what's different there. Outside, I start unplugging lights after the Epiphany on the 6th. And we still have a big wreath over the front door and some lights around the porch and the bushes till the end of the month. Now this garland is probably what most people would do normally on their own. But if you recall our garland, all the ornaments and beading and things have been removed. And here's Santa waiting for his sled ride out of here. He's been replaced with a Grecian statue. Some of the wintry fun pillows and blankets are still going on. And even though we like to see things a little longer, these trees no longer are on timers or come on, and they are getting ready to get taken down. Replaced by Greco-Roman and Egyptian art and artifacts. Again, the big bins will come up here full of empty boxes. You see, I start collecting things out of the garlands and putting the cloth teak away. They're all put away except the two largest ones that have their own box. The plain garland after everything's been removed. So in the main bedroom, I still get to enjoy our 8-foot, my take on a vintage tree with all our vintage ornaments, and you can see the cloth teaks are gone, the bed is revised, wintry touches, and we'll get to see our circus tree probably just a couple more days. Here's the big changes. All the shelves dusted and put back. Collecting up the parts and pieces to be put in their respective bins. There's the shelves again. All the cloth teaks put away till next year. Folks, we hope you liked and enjoyed where we're at in the big takedown Christmas 2025. I know a lot of you have told me how much work you've done and you're getting your things down. Some are taking a little longer than others. Make it enjoyable. Make it fun. Take care. See you soon in the next amazing, over the top, incredible checking out Christmas video. It's almost gone. Bye guys. See you soon.